forces.
Yo guys, what is up? It is Rans 1305 here, and I'm back for no YouTube video. And this, guys, is well, the first day of my cruise ship vlog, and I'm with my little boy Tommy.
Hello, and Ryan.
And yeah, right now we're just relaxing. We just got on the boat about 5-10 minutes ago, and yeah, we're just gonna wait till our cabin's done, and I'll give you a room tour of that. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we get into the room in about, I'll say 2 seconds from now. Yo, oh my god. Yo guys, so I'm here at my room, not that one. It's this one, and I'm going to give you a room tour of what it's like. So we'll start off with the bathroom, the main one. Here we go.
Dan, I'm having a poo, get out.
There you go. We've got a shower there. That's tiny. We've got the toilet right next to it, and
this is like this is like a quarter of my bedroom.
And then there's me. Hello. Tom, do you want to get abused? Just kidding. I don't do child abuse.
Yes, you do.
There's me again.
Show my shoes.
Oh yeah, you've got 6 crepes, guys.
Sandals.
6 crepes. If anyone knows what that means. Oh, and there's this sick crepe collection. There's just me and my flip flops and my shirts. Oh my god. Then we got my bed, and this is my brother's bed. It's got 2 lights, which is sick, and it's me again. Hello.
These are Dan's glasses, everyone.
Yay.
Wait, they can't see it.
Well, these are the glasses. Apparently for me, not really.
They are.
We got our own TV.
Where's my phone?
Oh.
Crap it off.
Here we got our own like little mini fridge of Pringles, Coke, beer, tonics and water, and a bit of chocolate in there. But we have to pay for it, which sucks so bad. And yeah, we've got some water there as well. We've got some nice coffee, which is free, of course. You got a phone to call somebody, like hello. But yeah, and then we got a chair there. We can do the room if we can go higher or lower on these. I'm gonna keep it like that. And yeah, we still got to unpack our stuff. We've got some nice little paintings on the wall. We've got a balloon, and yeah, that's pretty much about it. I can give you one. There you go. I'll give you 360 room tour. Way. There you go. Shit. I just threw the fruit juice, guys. Oh god, wait. Fruit juice. Fruit juice. I don't know. And so guys, if you're wondering what the hell happened to your beard, yes, I shaved it before the holidays because man's got to try and pull. Dan, what are you thinking? You're never going to pull. You're a fat shit. Yeah, I know. You know, I'm never going to pull, but I may as well try, lads. I mean, I'm alright. I mean, may as well try. But yeah, guys, I mean, that's not really much to see. On the first day, there's really much to do. I don't think I'm going to film me having dinner because, one, that's just inappropriate. Why would you film yourself having dinner? But I can film me going to the buffet. We've got a formal night coming for the next episode, day 2 of 12, I think. No, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, this is day 1 of 12. I mean, I probably won't film like all the off seas days. I'll probably just film me getting off the ship and maybe some certain days or some certain nights, like the formal nights we have. I think there's 4 of them, and then there's tropical nights we have. Because not very much to see. So I guess, guys, if there's anything more to this video, I'll probably show you now. But if it isn't, then thanks for watching this episode, guys, and I'll see you all next time if there is. But if there isn't, then I don't know point in me doing my intro. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys if there's anything left, I guess. So guys, I'm waiting to go to dinner.
Yo guys, and
my
brother's vlogging.
Wait.
Yeah, so
say
hi to my vlog, and I'll say hi.
Hi.
Hi guys. Yeah, so basically we're going to
Two mini vloggers
on our cruise. I'm going to give you a quick room tour because I haven't done that. Yeah, so these are the beds. That's my
Anyway, guys, I'm going to show you what
that's
me
the
walking down
TV,
to my
yeah.
dinner and just
This is
no, don't bring the dad back, man. Don't bring the dad back. I look like an 18-year-old lesbian. Oh Jesus Christ!
is me.
I look like I've got fucking lipstick on.
Alright, Dan, let's go.
Yep, let's go. Oh, look at.
This is my juice.
I am
I love
sponsored
juice.
today by David Beckham.
Alright, yeah.
No, I'm not. I wish I was, but
We're gonna go
absolutely
down
not.
to the biggies.
Oh,
We're gonna
dinner.
go down to the posh restaurant. And no, not the poshest restaurant.
Oh wait, we need to
That's
take it
where we
off.
have to wear the suits and things like that. So, guys, I will see you.
So guys, I'll see you guys when I start walking down to dinner, I guess. So yeah. So guys, we're about to go down to dinner and we'll start walking. And we're getting an elevator. Ooh, elevator.
Ryan! 7 walk all the way along. Ryan, let's do it right now.
See you, Tom.
Tommy, do you know where we're going?
Yeah, I do. What floor?
Tom, we're going into the other side of the ship.
No, we'll be there before you. Just go and look at this.
Look how posh this is. Where's Tommy gone? Oh, he's meant to be going to the other
I
side.
need new shoes.
I did it.
When I have cardboard and clipboard, you go and get them. Oh, it's going up. It's supposed up.
You want to go down? Ah, the glass. Yep. Of course, I need to get enough footage as possible to make up at least like a 10-minute vlog. Ooh, love. Nice drink for me to drink later. No. How sick is this? It actually looks pretty sick. Oh look, there's the shop. Tom Ford. Wait, we're going left or right? Ah, here we go. And there's the main part of the building, I guess. Not yet, I don't think it has. That's my nan. I know.
Guys, did you receive raffle tickets? No? Okay, everybody gets raffle tickets because we will be giving away watches, jewelry and some other prizes tonight. So all I need you to do is tear one half and put it in the bag there. So everybody
Okay.
gets a raffle ticket.
Okay. I mean, just tear it on.
Where's the box?
In the bag, this one here.
That one.
Perfect. So what time are you coming back to it?
Is it 9 o'clock?
9:30.
9:30.
Okay.
Must be present 9:30 tonight.
Ah, I probably won't come.
Do you know what's on tonight anyway?
Yeah, singer.
The
Ah,
headliners? No. They're not on.
this is so sick. The Tarmawin Club. Seems so posh. Well, this is meant to be a posh place, so. Ah, wonderful. Got 2 minutes already. I love it. This is so sick, guys. I'm not even kidding. This is probably the best I've ever experienced. Well, I've been on this. I think I've been on this ship before, but I don't know when exactly. Oh, there you go. You can see us sailing as we're going off. Oh, there's my little web for me. Say hi. Wow. Wow.
I think there was anything tab. Look at that.
I know. Look, we're literally constantly moving up.
Wait, Dan. Look, no, show me again. Wait. Yeah.
Man's doing his hair inside my YouTube video. Yippee! True, that's true. Oh guys, they gave us a raffle ticket. I don't know why. I mean, plan to win some jewelry, but yeah. Havana Club. Yeah. Ah. We're going to go down. We're going down and down and down. Not down.
Dan, you got your things?
Yep, I got it. So guys, I'm gonna have my dinner now. So guys, I'll see you guys when I pretty much get out of it, I guess. So yeah, see you guys in a second.
So tonight we lose.